Thompson School is represented by...
Sorry, Isaac, final year.
Darryl Thompson, final year.
State the type of epithelial cells to which the following descriptions refer. I hope you got your preamble. All right. With the same preamble, they are flat and allow substances to freely move across their surfaces and are located in organs such as the lung and kidneys. Yes, Thompson.
They are squamous epithelial cells.
Yes.
X is such that X is a member of all real numbers, where X is greater than or equal to 0, or X is greater than or equal to 6.
I'm giving you 2 out of 3. Preamble to all schools. Find the domain of the given function. X is equal to square root of the expression x squared minus 6x. A number of experiments that were possible in the early period of the 19th century with gases led John Dalton to come up with a model for the atoms. That's the preamble. I hope you got it. Preamble states the postulate that talks about the way atoms of different elements combine. Yes, Thompson.
The postulate states that when atoms combine, they do so in their simple whole number ratios with their with themselves to produce compounds.
Okay. The preamble is solve the proportion. Infant Supreme School, your proportion. 3 over the expression 4x plus 3 is equal to 4 over the expression 2x plus 5. Yes, Thompson?
X is equal to 3 over 10.
Yes. Infant Supreme School, with the same preamble, 4x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. Yes, Isaac.
The x-intercept is plus or minus 5, and the y-intercept is plus or minus 10.
Yes. Infant Supreme School, find the power factor of a circuit with a resistance of 30 ohms and a series reactance of 40 ohms. Yes, Thompson?
0.6.
You're right. Next one. If a certain volume of water of temporary hardness contains a total of 32.4 grams of CaHCO3 2, what mass of CaOH2 must be added to soften the water? Yes, Thompson.
14.8 grams.
You're right. Factorize the trinomial. 5x squared minus 4xy minus 12y squared. Yes. Which of you? Thompson.
We have 5x. 5x plus 6y. That expression being multiplied by the expression x minus 2y.
You are right. If a reaction is second order with respect to a particular reagent, when the concentration of that reagent is trebled, the rate increases by a factor of 6. Isaac?
It's false.
You're right. Question, Kwewu Ridge. A rectangular swimming pool has a diagonal of 17 meters and a width of 8 meters. Find the surface area of the pool. Yes, Joseph.
1,600 meters square.
That's incorrect. Yes, Thompson.
120 meters squared.
Yes. Seconds. In Fansipim School, the length of a rectangular field is 30 meters longer than the width, and the perimeter is 220 meters. Please find the area.
2,800 meters squared.
You're right. 10 seconds. What is the principal quantum number of the terminal level for the Lyman series? Yes, Isaac?
1.
Yes. Has a half-life of 4.5 years. How long will it take the substance to lose 75% of its activity?
Nine years.
Thompson.
9 years.
You're right. Next question. 30 seconds. Light of wavelength 743 nanometers is incident from silicon nitride into air. The refractive index of silicon nitride is 2 at 743 nanometers. Find the minimum angle of incidence at which total internal reflection occurs. Yes, Thompson?
30 is half. 30 degrees.
You're right. Calculate the mass of NaOH that must be added to 400 centimeter cubed of 0.15 mole per decimeter cubed HCl solution in order to neutralize half of the acid. Atomic mass for sodium is 23.0, for oxygen is 16.0, and for hydrogen 1.0. Thompson.
1.2 grams.
You're right. Express the numerical expression in the normal decimal notation. 7.586 times 10 raised to the power 8. Gadasu.
7.586 times 10 to the power 8 is equal to...
That's incorrect. Who rank next? Thompson.
758,600,000.
You're right. Which muscle in humans contracts to promote inhalation? Joseph.
The straight muscles.
That's incorrect. Yes, Gadasu.
The intercostal muscles.
No. Contracts to promote inhalation and relaxes to promote exhalation.
The diaphragm.
Yes, Isaac?
The diaphragm.
Yes. 2-butene and cyclobutane are isomers? Yes, Isaac?
It's true.
Yes. Right. In Fansipim School, the expression square root of 3 plus x over the expression square root of 3 minus x is a rational function. Isaac?
It's true.
Yes. I am a type of material that is distinguished by band gap size. I cease to conduct electricity at absolute zero. Yes. Matthias?
Insulator.
That's incorrect. Yes, Isaac?
Semiconductor.
You are right. I am a surface that can be folded to form a solid. I am also a weight of goods, excluding the weight of the container. Yes, Isaac?
Net.
You're right. I am a parameter used in the description of collision phenomena. I am a dimensionless parameter. Yes, Thompson.
Coefficient of restitution.
You're right. Give the systematic name of a symmetrical alkanone containing 5 carbons.
3 pentanone. 3 pentanone.
You're right.